Welcome to my channel. If you are new, welcome. I am back with the video, and today's video is not a collab. I paid for this wig with my own money. I will be installing it with y'all, showing how I got this middle part bust down look. Not only that, y'all, I did end up ripping the wig in the inside. So yeah, definitely finessed it like y'all. So T, let's get right into this video. I hope y'all enjoy.
Every minute, man, I swear that she can get it. Saying, that bitch, put your hands up high, hands up high, hands up high. Tell them dim the lights down right now. Put me in the mood. I'm talking about dark perfume. Go.
I recognize your fragrance. Hold up, you ain't never gotta say shit. And I know your taste is a little bit high maintenance. Everybody else basic. You live life on an everyday basis with poetic justice. Poetic justice. If I told you that a flower bloomed in a dark room, would you trust it? I mean, I write poems in these songs dedicated to you when you're in the mood for empathy. There's blood in my pen. Better yet, with your friends and them. I really wanna know you off. I really wanna show you off. Fuck God, pour up plenty of champagne. Cold nights when you curse this name. You called up your girlfriends and y'all curled in that little bitty range. I heard that she wanna go and party. She wanna go and party. Nigga, don't approach her with that Atari. Nigga, that ain't good game, homie. Sorry, they say conversation rule a nation. I can tell, but I could never right my wrongs unless I write it down for real. P.S.
hair for my birthday. I did end up getting a closure wig because I am going to Miami. So I will be getting braids literally 2 days later. So I figured closure wig, call it a day, save some money. Not only that, I did not have no wig collabs. So I did pay for this wig with my own money. It is Monday night. Tomorrow is Tuesday. My birthday is Wednesday. Really starting tomorrow. Pre-gaming, all my appointments, nails, lashes. And then we are going out tomorrow, you know, bringing it in. So yeah, this is the wig that I'll be wearing. I was gonna curl it and layer it, but I'm going to wear it straight for the first night. And then for my actual birthday Wednesday, I'm gonna layer it and do curls. I feel like my forehead looks huge. Maybe I should have put darker makeup, but when I get close up, it's like so teal. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Let's go follow me on Instagram and on TikTok. It will be in the description box below. But until next time, I will see you in my next video. The girl is looking crazy as hell. Like my face is so naked. But get into the lace. Get into the lace. I did overpluck it a little bit right here. I'm gonna fix that. But yeah. Get into it. Get into it.